Hello students, welcome to Shikshanavi Shakti Spardha Creative Coaching Center, Shumaga. Dear students, let's we discuss today's an important topic, division. As we know, division means equal distribution, right? Division means equal distribution. Here see, the symbol of division is, we know that one, divided by. The symbol of division is divided by. Division means equal distribution. I said you all, the distribution of equal is called division. And also division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtractions. That also we can take here. That is, division is repeated subtraction. How is that? I will show you all that one. Now let's we understand the concept of division means equal distribution. How is that? How can we distribute among the students or among the peoples, among our friends? Let's we see now. For example, I have 6 chocolates. How many chocolates? 6 chocolates I have. Here see, that 6 chocolates I wanted to distribute for 3 students named A, B and C. I wanted to distribute what I have 6 chocolates for 3 students. Then I wanted to distribute for each student how many chocolates? Yes, here see, first I distributed 1 chocolate and 1 chocolate as it is. Next time again distributed 1. That means I distributed for 3 students 2 chocolates for each. Isn't it? Here in this concept we have to understand that one, what they have given here, total number of chocolates what I have written here 6 chocolate. 6 is a number of chocolate what I had, okay, divided by number of students. How many students are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 students are there, divided by 3. Then how many chocolates I distributed for each students? That I have written here 2. Here for each students I distributed 2 chocolates for A, 2 chocolates for B student and 2 chocolates for C students. That I have written in this format. This is division format, right? Here 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. That one, while we are solving the problem, how can we write that one? Let's we write like this: 6 divided by 3, right? 3. That if you wanted to solve this problem, we know that one, 3 2s are how much? 6, right? 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to what? 0. Here see what we got. Here answer, this one too we call what? Remainder. What we call it? Remainder. Here see, this 6 is what we taken this number, the total number of chocolates. This is called dividend. What is this? Dividend. Okay. Next, these total number of chocolates we divided by 3, right? That 3 to we call divisor. What we call it? Divisor. And finally we got answer 2, right? This 2 to we call what? Quotient. What we got answer in the division, this answer to we call what? Quotient. That we have to keep in our mind. Here it is very important for us. Why? Because I tell to you all. Here see, dividend 6, divisor 3, quotient 2, remainder 0. Here I solved this problem. We got quotient 2 and remainder 0, right? Then we wanted to clarify that one. We can make it clarify ourselves. How do we want it? The written answer is correct or wrong? isn't it? So here I solved that one, but we wanted to clarify ourselves. How is that? Here I have written this in this format. We can clarify our answer. Is it right or wrong? See here I have written dividend is equal to, dividend means 6 is equal to, 6 is equal to divisor. Where is divisor? Here. How much is there divisor? 3. 3 into is there? Into. Quotient. How much we got? Quotient 2. So 2. Plus is there? Plus. Remainder. Remainder, see how much is there? 0. Let's we write it according to this statement. This is very important. This also you always don't forget this one. If you wanted to find our answer is correct or wrong, then this formula we have to keep in our mind. That formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here see 6 is equal to 3 2s are 6. Here plus is there, plus 0 is there, 0. Next 6 is equal to 6 plus 0 6. Here see 6 is equal to 6. So our answer is correct. Quotient what we got to 2 and remainder what we got 0. That answer is correct. Like this we can clarify our answer ourselves. And one more thing, here see we wanted to learn properties of division. Here if you wanted to solve any problem in the division, properties are very important. Then let's we learn some properties of division. Here first property telling us what? 0 divided by any number, the quotient will comes 0. 0 divided by any number, the quotient will comes what? 0. This is the first property of the division. Next, second property of the division telling us what? Any number, here say 9 I have written, divided by same number, the quotient will comes what? 1. Right? Here see quotient will come how much? 1. So these two properties we have to keep in our mind. Dear students, here in this point the symbol of division is a division symbol, we understood. Second point I said what? Division means equal distribution. Equal distribution. Here we saw that one using this picture. How do we distributed equal chocolates among 3 students. Third point I said division is repeated subtraction. Isn't it? This point I said it's okay. How is that? How can we repeatedly subtract? How do we got answer that division? Isn't it? That we wanted to understand. So here I have taken one example, that is same example I have taken. Here see number of chocolates 6 are there, number of students 3 are there. Here we got quotient 2, right? Here this one if you wanted to understand that division is repeated subtraction, how is that? Now let's see. Here given number what? 6 is there. Okay, 6 minus 3 is there, 3. Okay, 6 minus 3, how much? 3. Okay, here one time we subtracted. How many times? One time we subtracted. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to, we got what difference? 0. Again minus 3. Here we got 0, right? Here this is second time we subtracted. One time, this is one time. Here total how many times it over? 2 times over. So we got the quotient 2. Understood students? It's very simple. This is called, so we call division is the repeated subtraction. Dear students, while we are making division, the divisibility rules are very important, because it saves our time while we are solving the problems. It's very important topic. Please listen carefully and practice well and get ready to examination. Okay, now see the divisibility rules. First number is 2. So what is the divisibility rules for number 2? If we wanted to find this one, I am taking one example. 8 divided by 2. Here, is it 8 divisible by 2? If we wanted to find this one, what will we do? We will make it completely division, right? How is that? 2 4s are 2 4s are 8, right? Here if we get 0, here we got 0, then we will identify 8 is completely divisible by 2. Like this we will find. If it is their single number, easily we can identify. Otherwise, if they have given the long number, that means 5 digit, 8 digit numbers, then we can't divide and sit that all. It kills our time. Then the divisibility rules will help us. How do we want to find if the given number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. If you wanted to find the number is divisible by 2, here see, if a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is completely divisible by 2. Here see, the divisible rules we wanted to apply when we divided a number. If we get remainder 0, when we get remainder 0, then we have to understand 8 is completely divisible by 2. Okay, if otherwise, one more example, second example I am taking here. 9 divided by 2. Here see, 2 4s are 8, right? So here left 1, this remainder left 1, then we can identify what 9 is not completely divisible by 2. How we are telling? Here remainder 1 is there. When the remainder 0 will comes, then we have to understand the given number is completely divisible. Okay, this concept you keep in your mind. Here see what they are telling. If a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is completely divisible by 2. That means in the given number, the unit place, if it is there, even number, if it is there in the unit place, then we can easily identify that number is completely divisible by 2. How is that? Let's see some example. Here see, first example I have taken 31,252 divided by 2. Is it completely divisible by 2? We wanted to find it. So I said you rule. What is that? In the unit place we wanted to see. Here see unit place. If it is there in the unit place, even number, that means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If it is there, then we can directly understand or directly we can write what 31,252 is completely divisible by 2. Did you understand how we said it? Very easy trick that we have to understand. Here see, in the unit place, if it is there even number, then that the whole number is completely divisible by 2. Now let's see B question. Here see, first what we have to do, if you wanted to check the divisibility rule of 2, is the given whole number, is it divisible by 2? If you wanted to find, first what we have to do, we have to check the unit place number. Okay, unit place digit, here it is 1 is there. 1 is even or odd? Yes, odd number. Then directly we can say what? The given number is not divisible, but not completely divisible by 2. Okay, so 41,231 is not completely divisible by 2. Not completely divisible by 2. We don't want to make it division it is. Okay, when we see the number unit place, easily we can identify and write the answer. Now let's see third question. Here see, 2, 4, 6, 7 digit number are there. If they have given 8 digit, 10 digit, 15 digit, we don't want to get worry about it because we don't want to make it division. Here if we see the number, we can directly say the answer. Is it the whole number is divisible by 2? Yes, tell me. Yes, your answer is right. Here in the unit place number is even number. 6 is there. Isn't it? In the unit place, if it is there even number, then that whole number is completely divisible by 2. So the number is completely divisible by what? 2. Now let's we see the divisibility rule for 3. If you wanted to find the divisibility of the number 3, how do we have to find it? Here see, if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3, the sum of its digits is divisible 3, then that the whole number is completely divisible by 3. How is that? Now let's we see. Here see, once again I am telling, if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3, then the whole number is completely divisible by 3. Now let's we check that one. How is that? Here see, what they have given number. Here see, 1242 divided by 3 they have given. First of all, what we have to do? We have to find the sum of its digit. That means, here see, sum of its digits 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to, here see, 3, 7, 9. We got how much? 9. Here see, if what we got the sum, if this sum is divisible by 3, then all the number is completely divisible by 3. Okay, here see, that's 9. 9 will completely divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. Here we got remainder 0. When we get a remainder 0, then we have to understand the given number is completely divisible. Did you understand? Here, if you wanted to find the divisibility rule of 3, first what we have to do? We should add all the digits of the given number and the sums. If it is divisible by 3, then all the number is divisible by 3. If the sum is not divisible by 3, then all the number is not divisible by 3. Now let's we see second one. Here we have written the number is completely divisible by 3. Okay, next second one, let's we see. According to our plan, let's we write this one. So 3 plus 6 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 9, 10, 19. Here we got how much? Sums 19. Is it 19 is completely divisible by 3? Let's we check it. 19 divided by 3. Now let's we check it. 3 6 are 18, right? 3 6 are 18. So now 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Here left remainder 1. Then only I said you all, if you wanted to say the number is completely divisible, the remainder should be there what? 0. But here it is there 1. Then we can easily say the given number, the given whole number is not completely divisible by 3. Understood? Next, now let's we see C question. Here see what they have given, all digits, let's we add it. So 8 plus 2 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is equal to, add this one, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 19, 19 plus 2, 21, 22, 24, 27, right? 27. So this after we wanted to find, is it 27 is completely divisible by 3? That we wanted to find. Let's we check it. 27 divided by 3. 3 9s are 27. See here, we got remainder what? 0 0, right? We got remainder 0. Then we can easily say, if we see the number, we can say that one, the given number is completely divisible by 3. Here we are right and showing for you all, but you have to calculate this one. When you see the number, that you have to say the answer in your mind. It's very very important. These all calculation we can do in our mind only. Now let's we see divisibility rule for 4. If you wanted to find the number is completely divisible by 4, what we have to do? Here see, if last 2 digits of a number is divisible by 4, then that number is completely divisible by 4. So what they are giving suggestion for us here, that last 2 digit number in the given number, last 2 digit means unit place number and tens place number. It's very important. From right side to we have to take. For example, let's we see first question. Here see 31,216 divided by 4 they have given. Isn't it? According to our hints, what we have to do? Last two digits. Here see, last two digits means unit place number and tens place number we have to see. This number is, this 2-digit number is completely divisible by 4, then all the number is completely divisible by 4. Very easy concept. Here see, last 2 digit, how much is there? 16 is there. Okay, let's see this one. Is it completely divisible by 4? 4 4s are 16. So we got a remainder 0 0, right? Remainder we got 0 0. Then easily we can say whole number is completely divisible by what? Yes, the whole number is completely divisible by 4. That's all. Now let's see B question. Okay. So according to our hints, what we have to do? We have to check last 2 digits. Here see, unit place number, tens place number. Is the last 2-digit number is completely divisible by 4, then all the number, the given whole the number is completely divisible by 4. If not, then the whole the number is not completely divisible by 4. Let's we take last 2-digit number. What is there? 22 is there, divided by 4, right? Let's we find it. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. So here we have to take 4 5s are 20, right? 20. Here remainder 2 minus 0 2. Here remainder left 2. Then only I said you all, the given number is completely divisible. If you wanted to say, we wanted to get remainder what? 0. But here we got 2. Then easily we can say no. No, this number is not completely divisible by 4. Right? Now let's we see C question. Here see 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 digit question they have given. We don't want to get worry about that. How many digits are there? We know the tricks. Let's we use that one. How much digit they have given? We don't want. Leave it. Last 2 digits take. Last 2 digit what they have given? 24 they have given. Let's we check it. 24 is divisible by 4. Yes, 4 6 are 24. So we got remainder 0 0, isn't it? Then the whole number, yes, the given whole number is completely divisible by 4. Now let's we see divisibility rule for 5. If you wanted to find the given number is completely divisible by 5, how do we want to find that? Here see, if a number ends with 0 or 5, any number if they have given that number ends with 0 or 5, then that number is completely divisible by 5. Isn't it? Here see, any number ends with 0 or 5 means unit place it will be there 0 or 5. If it is there 0 or 5, then all the number is completely divisible by 5. Let's we see example. Here first example I have taken 1350 divided by 5 is there. The last digit athwa end number or unit place number, if it is there 0 or 5, then all the number is completely divisible by 5. Here see, unit place number ends with what? 0, right? Therefore 1350 is completely divisible by how much? 5. That's all. Very short trick. Here see, if you wanted to find the given number is divisible by 5, what we have to do? We have to check the unit place number. In the unit place, if it is there 0, then it is divisible by 5. Then if it is there in unit place 5, then whole number is completely divisible by 5. Now let's see second question. Here see 21,015 they have given. Then only I said you all we have to see the unit place number. Here 5 is there. Isn't it? 5 is there. In the unit place or end of the digit is 0 or 5, then whole number is completely divisible by 5. Right? Here see is the unit place number. That means number ends with how much? 5. Therefore, E21015 is completely divisible by how much? 5. This concept is very easy concept, but we have to practice it. Next, let's see third question. Here see they have given 7, 2, 3, 8, 6, 3, 8, 9 divided by 5 they have given. Many of the digits are there. We don't want to get confused with this one. So what we have to do? The end of the number, what is there? End of the digit 9 is there. Digit 9 is there. Then only I said if it is there in the unit place 0 or 5, then only all the number is completely divisible by 5. Here 9 is there. If we see, we can say this number is not divisible by 5. Here see 9 is not completely divisible by 5. Therefore, the given number is not divisible by 5. Understood? It's very easy topic. You have to practice it one by one. Take some more example and try to answer yourself. Now let's see the divisibility rules for number 6. If the given number is completely divisible by 6, then how do we want to find using a tricks? Here see the even numbers divisible by 3 or divisible by 6. If the given number is even number, that we wanted to check first. Next, if it is even number, then what we have to do? We have to divide it from 3. Then the whole number is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 6. Or see second statement I am telling, the number is divisible by 2 and 3. The given number, if you wanted to find the number is divisible by 6, the given number completely divisible by 2 and 3. It should be divided by 2 and also should be divided by 3. How is that? Let's see. First example here they have given. What they have given? 906 they have given. Okay. So if you wanted to find the given number is even number, how do we have to find? The ones place we will check. Right. 6 is a even number. Right. Then here see 906 is even number. Even. Right. Even number. Therefore even number. So it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. Howdalva? Yes, we can understand that one. Here see 906 is divided by 6. 906 here 6 is in the unit place, 6 is in even number, then we can say it is divisible by 2. Next what we have to do? This number is it divisible by 3. So how do we want to check the given number is divisible by 3? This is the first concept. Second concept we wanted to find 9 plus 0 plus 6 is equal to 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 6 15. 15 is completely divisible by 3. Therefore 906 is completely divisible by 3. 12 by how much? 6. So the 906 number is completely divisible by 6. How did we find it? So first we have to check the given number is even number. Yes, even number. That number is divisible by 2. Okay. We wanted to find the given number is even number. That after over. So it is divisible by 2. That after what we have to do? Given number is it divisible by 3? That also we wanted to find. Second concept. Yes, here 15 is there. 3 5s are 15. 15 is completely divisible by 3. If the given number is divisible by 2 and 3, then all the number is completely divisible by 6. Now let's see second question. Here see, the given number should be even. The given number should be even. Here see first concept. Here see, in the unit place 3 is there. Is it 3 is even or odd? Yes, you are right. 3 is odd number. So here see, 3 is odd. Therefore 2 1 0 3 is not divisible by 2, right? If it is not divisible by 2, then directly we can say answer the given number 2103 is not divisible by 6. It is not divisible by 6. That's all. See, we have to find first any one digits. For the given number is even number. If it is even number, then we have to check the given number is divisible by 3. Okay. First only here we are finding the given number is not even number, then it is not divisible by 2. Therefore, the whole number is not divisible by 6. Now let's see third question. Here see, the given number in the unit place 6 is there. The given number is even number, right? So the given number is 3 1 6 6 is even number. Okay, 1 point over. Next what we have to do, the given number is it divisible by 3? Here see, how do we want to check that? 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 4 10 16. How much we got? 16. Right? Is it 16 divisible by 3? We wanted to find it. Here see, 16 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Here left one reminder. Then 16 is not completely divisible by 3. It is, here see, 16 is not completely divisible by 3. Therefore the given number 3166 is not completely divisible by 6. Very simple, very easy trick. This you have to practice it more and more. Okay students, when we practice make man perfect. We have to practice more and more, then we will become a perfect. This concept also very easy it is. When we practice it more, then it all becomes easy for us. Dear students, if you like our video, if you understand our video, please like, comment, and if you not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video.